Rita Wotowoto, how are you, my darling sister? Good morning. How was your night? You sleep well, so? I hear say they say na every day you they shout like Chihuahua for Facebook. Now so something they pay you for body. And you need to wear it there. Small matter like this when I just tell you, since how many days you they shout wah for Facebook. It don't do, my sister. Any dog, baby. What do they pepper you for body? But if you they tell person, your mouth go they run papa like tap water. Hey, my sister. Calm down. Okay, this matter since now. When it be say, I just talk. Say, my sister, oh, this kind of thief, oh, you know good, oh. I rather give your body a kill. Not the thief content again, oh. Most especially we will be musicians. If we put content for social media now for everybody, you know, they collect and they monetize and they copyright and for yourself. I just talk and small. Since how many days now they say now so cry. Now you they cry for Facebook, they cry. People they pet you, say you don't you not going rest. Okay, what is the reason why you are still crying now? Now the word when I tell you, I've been at the thief where you thief they paying for bodies to say they catch you. And Chihuahua Rita, Ojibie, Ojibole, Ole, Tiffy Dan Koriko. How are you? Shame. It's okay. Stop crying. I'm sorry. I know it's hot. I know. For person to catch you for thief, then he try to hide them from people, make them not know say you the thief. You can't later drag yourself out. It's hot, I know, but try and relax. Take some drugs, have some good rest, have some good sleep. You are killing yourself. You are giving yourself hypertension. Don't you know it's not good for your health? Okay, as a doctor that you are, you're supposed to know that too much stress, too much talk will give you high blood pressure. My darling sister, Wotowoto. Beautiful girl. Fine girl. Fine face. Lakba nyash. Krokro body. Oh, we fien. Onise. Oh, say. Go about your business. Go and make money. Go and make money and make your mama proud. Okay, baby? Go and make your mama proud. Because all this is you are doing now, it will not give you money. It will not put food on your table. Your husband know they talk to you. Definitely, I know say you not going to listen to that one. Only money. I'm not calling you fine. But at least try and give him some respect. So that people go sit and say, okay, at least with they respect her. You know, see that day, I be want draw another share. Now my husband tell me, say, oh yeah, get inside. Go and delete that thing and get inside. Even though say other people don't carry it, they don't share them, but I respectfully respect myself. I deleted it and I went inside. Show some respect to your husband, okay? Those say that one not get say, and those say that one will not say he's not existing. He's not existing. When it comes to you, that one not exist. That one are just it be like a furniture for house for you. But at least try and respect him and get inside. Stop shouting, crying like a chihuahua. Cry is okay. I know say they don't beat small pikin, they go leave and make it they cry. You know, go tell her you want to cry. That one is sure, but it's not good for your head. You know I love you. You know I love you. Forget about this old saga. Forget about you are somebody that I love so much. Forget saga. Forget say now normal thing. You talk to me, I talk to you normal. You know, but I care about you. It's not good for your head. It's going to make you look more older than your age. When you came into social media, you were beautiful. You were, you know, soft like today bread. But today, take a good look at yourself. Look at the mirror. You are losing it, baby. You are losing it. You are getting old by the day. And I see they say, oh, this lady where you're fine anyhow. Like today bread, when she comes social media, they admire her. Today, oh my God. You are the shadow of yourself. You still have the time now. You still have the time. Retrieve. Retrieve and take good care of yourself. I love you. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. I love you.